More stocks on the deep. We have CMCT, SWAG, MSGM, and LRHC. This is Thursday, the 13th of November, 2025. CMCT down 30.33%. It's contracting yesterday's expansion. Yeah, it was trending. I believe it was trending for a long time yesterday. I'm not correct, but it's contracting yesterday's expansion. Yeah, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape, but okay. Well, people are keen on buying. People are keen on buying, but there are no shares available. It seems you can see that 15,000 wants to go through, but nothing yet. Okay, I think it's forcing up the aggression. It's forcing up the price. Yeah, the price has gone up slightly. Yeah, the demand there has influenced things, whereas these guys are waiting to snatch any move in their direction. Yeah, the stock is contracting yesterday's expansion. However, there are extrapolations saying that it's going to continue the downtrend. Underlying trend is severely bearish. Maybe begin to stabilize by the 5th of December. In the interim, it's not maybe in the interim when it drops below its 40-day moving average, it's not expected to cross above it until but we don't know when, but it's not expected to cross above it. Projections are currently saying 7.01, 7.95. Yesterday printed an intraday high of 11.66. SWAG down 27.01%. Okay, no intraday low here yet. Okay, it doesn't look so. Let me not speak too soon. Okay, 244, 246. Spread is not okay. Just okay, just modestly okay. It may not be that active. It seems. Yeah, hardly that active. Yeah, but above it's almost double, almost thrice its average volume. So it's not a volatile, but doesn't trade that much in terms of volumes. SWAG. Let's see what we have. I think okay. It was contracting yesterday's expansion. No, contracting the expansion that has been in place since. Okay, let me just be sure what I'm talking about here. Wednesday. Okay, so this is actually no. Yeah, contracting. Yeah, the expansion that has been in place since the 28th of October. Yeah, that's what is contracting now. And lower prices expected to keep playing out up till Monday, the 17th. Then it might expected to go into a consolidation before a downtrend may begin or the day contraction may resume. Okay, so but in the interim, there is a contraction is playing out here. You can clearly see it's the 40-day moving average is extrapolating to closing any possible volatility. So that's what we are. It has been in place, so it's expected to remain in place as well. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, we can actually have a look and see if we can plot the market grid. It's just going to give us a short term indication. Okay, it's trading outside of that grid, so it's not going to be useful for now. Okay, the underlying trend strongly bullish. Yeah, Strand and Company. Let's see what we have in terms of news. Okay, yesterday its sales it indicated its sales were up, net loss narrowed. Okay, So I think people are probably they're taking profits. They took profits from what's been. I mean, the stock has been doing well in probably the build up to this to the earnings, and usually when there's a build up to the earnings and the earnings turn out good, they're not they well expect yeah, expect it to go either way. But if it goes down, that's not out of place, you know. So yeah, people will take profits. That's the sort of things that can happen as well. MSGM MSGM down 30%, 30.33%. Let's see. Volume so far. Okay, $30.3.4. Okay, let's see what we have. People want to go in at 3.4, but it's not going through for some reason. People are trying to sell us 3.41. Okay, still hasn't met its average volume yet. Okay, highly volatile. MSGM. Okay, so okay, I had an expansion. It has had some expansion that began on the 6th of November, peaked yesterday, and so it's contracting it now. So extra more contraction is expected going all the way towards the 24th of December. Yeah, and in the interim, it's expected that the 40-day moving average may serve as support. Projections are currently saying one not into the upside, 1.91, 1.65, 1.48. Intraday high 5.8 printed all the way back here, 7th of November. Okay, so let's see. Is there any news for MSGM? No fresh news. LRHC down 28.64%. Intraday high, volatile session. You can see intraday high 8.47 and then intraday low 2.7. It has just recovered from that intraday low. It looks quite, yeah, surely volatile day. Let's see. But it doesn't look that liquid. No, not so liquid. The spread is is already more than, the spread is already more than 2%. Spread is already more than 2 cents. Here we have 8 cents. That's not fantastic. It can add up. It can add up. 8 cents can add up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Way above its average volume. Way more than 4 times. More than four or close to 4 times its average. More than 40 times its average volume. So it's a big day today. It seems. Yeah. It's a big day for the stock, but we're not seeing a lot going through at the moment. It's a big day, but hardly not so. It's a big day, but in the grand scheme of things, not a big day. Not those volumes are not big. LRHC. Okay, downtrend is expected to remain in place. Projections are currently saying 3.75, 2.74, 2.11. Underlying trend strongly bearish. Okay, let's have a look and see what the market grid is going to tell us. Okay, it's outside of that market grid. Yeah. Okay, it hasn't reacted yet to what's going on. So we let's see whether we can see anything in on its 4 hour chart based on this market grid as well. Okay, let's see what the range of prices are. Okay, between 5.23 and 0.6267. Yeah, okay. So it has its trajectory is to the upside. It has recovered somewhat. So and currently trading at 3.03. So what are the odds that it can test 3.47? 3.47 is here. Yeah, 3.47 is here. That probability is saying 3.93. It's actually looking good. Statistically, it looks good. It looks like it's something that can happen. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.